Okay, so here we go. First thing I'm going to do is clear all my cookies and cache. I better not do whatever. Hopefully it doesn't sign me out of everything. If it does, I'll pause the video and then re-sign back in. Okay, you can see on my HQWebinar that my subdomain is global mobile and the domain set is getdetailshere.net. I've set it up both ways with just the www and with both. So I'm going to first show you with both because that's where it's set right now. And then I'll go back to just the www. They give different errors. So with both of them set up at globalmobile.hqwebinar.com, both the root and the www, the name servers are Tia and Wesley. And you can see at getdetailshere.net, it's set at Tia and Wesley. And under the crypto tab, it's under flexible and always use HTTPS. And there's the other settings just in case. You can see them all. Okay. And there is my actual string for my webinar, which you can see loads the page. When I hit the get details without the www, it says it isn't working. Try clearing your cookies. Too many redirects, which I just cleared all the cookies. And it does the same thing. And on the www, it says you don't have permissions to view this page. So if I go here and delete the root domain, then it reloads and it's going to say that it won't work because the root domain isn't because it was logged out. Okay, so now just the www is there. When you reload this, it's going to show a warning, right? An name receive name record was not found pointing to the root, so it won't resolve. And when you go back over then to the non-www, it says too many redirects again. And you go to the www. Oh, it may take a second. No? That's all. I have the www set to global mobile.hqwebinar. Global mobile.hqwebinar. To get details here, right? It's set with both Tia and Wesley, which is what's on my domain. That's the string, and that's the exact string. And if I set that to okay, so when I this is what happens, the difference. So now I only have the www in there. And when I go, it says this error, which you can see on the screen. I won't read it. And when I go to the www, make sure to put in the restring. I guess it's just loading that fast. So we'll close this window just to make sure. Yeah, and it still says you don't have permission. So that's where I'm stuck at. If I have them both, you saw the errors, and if I change it to just the www like was shown in the video, then, oh yeah, and here's another thing. So that's the HQ webinar, that's the get details here. And with the www and without it, and the errors, how it changed. And then if you go, I know it's resolving, obviously, because if I just check the root, it shows the sales page, basically, of HQWebinar. Whoops. I guess it shows the sales page on the root with the www, right? So it's redirecting on the www. It's not here because there's no there's no root record, which I would think I would need the root record. We're redirects with the www, but on the www with the webinar page, it's you don't have permission. And with the non-www, you get the DNS error. So tell me, what is wrong with this system?